Hi, I set up everything properly. So let me show you how user can access info email ID. So if I needs to log in Gmail. So if I go with Madi, then he needs to log in gmail.com from his computer, any browser. So okay, I will go next and I will input Madi email ID as an example. So I will go with Madi and needs to input his password. And next, so this is the Madi email ID. He can use his email ID as regularly, no problem at all. So here is the question: how he can access info email ID from his email ID. So he needs to click top right hand side under his profile. Then he can see like this email, like this option, like info email ID as delegated. So if I click here, info email ID will be open properly. Now he can manage and access info email ID properly from his email ID, and he can send email from info email ID but not from directly info email ID. If I send an email to my email address from here, he can send, but it will be behelp of info. Okay, let me show you how it will work. If I go to test, so I'm sending a test email to my email address. So if I send from here, I will get this email, but it will be behelp of info. So I will see Madi email and behelp of info. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's came. So Madi send email from info email ID, but I am seeing Madi email ID on behalf of info. Okay, so I think everything is working fine. So if you need more help, feel free to message me anytime. Thank you.